Hello. Welcome to Active Table Editor online tutorial. Active Table Editor allows end users to edit any table in any database. Today we will be talking about creating Lookup Editor. On the left, we can see a list of available items. Management tab is only visible to the administrators. Here is the list of available items. Let us create a new one. We will call it List of Customers. Selecting connection. We can enter SQL or use SQL Builder. We can also define primary key which will be used for updating data. Execute tab allows the user to execute stored procedures or run calculations. Comment will appear under the item name. Here are all currently created menu items. By default, all new menu items are added to the administrator menu. Show Menu button recreates menu items. Here is the menu item we have just created. Let us have a look at what we can do with it. We can copy and paste data. We can sort it. We can use a vertical grid which is very handy for very wide tables. We can edit records. We can filter records. We can export and import data. We can design our own reports or print standard one. And we can group records. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching.